Welcome to Get Crafty with Kate. This is part 4 in my Learn to Knit series. Once you finish knitting up your garment piece, you need to bind off the stitches, meaning getting the stitches off the needles, and you can't just slip the stitches off the needles as your whole project will fall apart. So this is by far the most beginner-friendly, easiest way to bind off your stitches. In order to do this bind off, you need 2 stitches on the working needle at all times. So when you're first starting off this bind off, knit 2 stitches like so onto your needle and stop. Then, taking the opposite needle, pick up the first stitch and slip it over that stitch that you would have just knitted. And now you have 1 stitch left on that needle. Again, knit 1 more stitch, take the other needle, pick up that first stitch, slip it over the second stitch, and continue on until all of the stitches are gone except 1. And now with 1 last stitch on the needle, I'm going to pull my needle up ever so slightly and then cut the yarn. Once the yarn is cut, I pull that through the stitch and my project is done. All that is left to do now is weave in my ends and block my project, and it is officially done. If this video was of any help to you, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Happy knitting!